this is the garage.
And there's a garage door opener, little sensors here and here. If you've got a break or pop or something, you can come and unpop, you know, fix it right here.
Okay.
Here. The main panel is out on the back porch. You'll have the garage door opener here to open and close the garage door opener. This will be for your lights, one for the garage light, one for the exterior lights. All your exterior doors will be contacted. Right here will be your security pad.
Okay.
They put one in standard, but we add 2 more locations, or if you wanted to add 2 more, all they gotta do is poke a small hole, grab this red wire, hook it up.
Okay, so the wiring is in 2 other places.
Yeah, if you wanted a security keypad,
okay,
like by the front door and in the master bedroom.
Okay.
That gauge there is for this fire sprinkler system. That'll have a door on the outside and the garage side.
In the garage.
And it'll be sheetrocked on the inside. Won't have to mess with that. Refrigerator goes here. Pantry right there. The range goes right here.
Stove, okay, yeah.
And that's the vent for the microwave. And in the cabinet right next door to that is the stop for the gas.
Okay.
So if you turn the gas on and off in case you have something happen with the range, you gotta.
Okay. What are these? Are these switches?
Well, this right here is for a phone.
Okay.
Those are gonna be outlets and switches. Kitchen sink will be here. Your dishwasher goes here. Dining area will be here.
Those lights and that one.
Those are for all your cables. A lot of homes will take all the wires and running it into like what they call an on-cue box, and then run 1 or 2 wires to the outside. We don't do the on-cue box, as opposed to we just run everything outside. So everything is a home run, coming straight out to the outside. So when you go to get everything hooked up, you just tell them that everything they need is coming out the wall right here. If you want later on to add a security pad,
okay,
you can add one right here.
For some reason, I thought it was out here, but okay, it's here.
Yes.
All right.
So if you're in your bedroom, you know, you can look and you see the light, what's open.
Right.
Zone 1, zone 2, whatever it is. Zone 1 and 2 are usually your doors, 3 or 4 windows, like up downstairs windows, upstairs windows, so you can see where the problem is and where not to go.
Right.
Unless you got a big gun.
For some reason, it feels smaller.
That's what everybody says. I've heard that a dozen times. We go to measure it, and it's within 1/8 of an inch.
It feels smaller than that master over there. That master in the model is massive. These are my TV connections, yes, cables. Okay.
High-low, so you can run like your receiver up here if you want to hang your TV on the wall. It's what hides those wires. If you wanted to put a fan in.
Yeah, man, this seems way smaller.
It really isn't, I promise you. You got the double sinks, big garden tub.
Okay.
Water closet here, and toilet here. These windows are pretty cool. They're all, you know, energy efficient, low E windows. In fact, this will pop open here for easy cleaning. Something real handy, especially upstairs.
Yeah.
You'll be set up for either a gas or electric dryer.
Okay.
Depending on what your preference is. That's the dryer vent there. Wash machine goes over there.
Now these bedrooms look about the same size. The one downstairs looks like teeny tiny.
These could be the same size.
Okay, so this is where we go up into the attic.
Yes. It'll be the open rail. These are just for safety rails right now. The electrician has given us a bonus. I think it's like $400 or $500 to add to block and wire for a fan.
Oh.
But he's done it for us already.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
If you wanted to change that light out, you can just pull the light off and put a fan up there.
Okay.
And you'll have a switch for the fan and one for the light.
Oh, nice.
Same thing with that bedroom here. Same thing for your game room over here, or your, yeah, if you call it a game room or a loft. We got 4 plugs will be here and over there.
Okay.
We have to have a fire-rated sheetrock up there. I mean, fire-rated plywood.
Okay. We're considered condos, not townhomes?
They're townhomes. Normally in a townhome, you own the outside.
Oh, okay.
Or in a condo, you own just the inside.
Got
it.
it.
Outside is like a commons area, a community area.
Got it.
Where you own, if there's 100 houses or 100 condos in that area, you own 1/100th of the whole property.
Okay. Another tub. This is a single sink?
Yes.
Okay. And the toilet's over there.
You have 2 thermostats, one upstairs and one downstairs.
Okay.
And it works on a damper system. So if you got the upstairs thermostat is calling for air, the damper will open and push the air up. If it's downstairs calling for air, the damper will shut and push the air down.
Okay, good. And the theater room.
You have your water heater here. Again, you're blocking wire for a fan.
Okay.
For your media here. Speaker, 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 speaker. Our standard is over here on this wall right here. So instead of having 2 of these connections, because this is where you wanted your connection here, instead of having that connection at standard, we put it over here in your loft area. So in case you want to have like a desk or, you know, something like there for your modem or your computer.
Okay.
Or another TV screen. It's like a good idea because this is the first time I've dealt with this lady. She designed it. She changed the plans.
No,
and it sounded like a good idea.
Yeah.
So why have 2 of them in one room?
One room and you can, yeah. Makes sense. That's another light fixture over there, right?
Those are the ones you added.
Okay.
You added 4 in the loft area.
Oh, that's right. I have the recess and the
recess.
chandelier. Okay. And these are can lights as well?
Yes.
Or,
you
yeah.
have by code, one at the top of the stairs, one at the bottom of the stairs, and in the hallways.
Okay.
You'll have 2 switches, one at the bottom of the stairs, one at the top of the stairs.
Okay.
So it doesn't make sense. You know, you turn the light on so you can go up the stairs, and you gotta go downstairs to turn the light off. But on the back of your house here, you'll have a light here, your main panel right here. The main panel is gonna have the 220s, the big breakers in it.
Okay.
Like to feed your dryer needs 220.
Okay.
Your AC will need 220.
Okay.
Then it'll have one 220 going directly to the sub panel in the garage that'll feed all those 110 breakers.
Okay.
This will be a hose bib here.
Okay.
These are the vents here. That'll be the vent for your microwave. That's probably for an exhaust vent. This is where the AC condenser will sit, right on this corner right here.
Okay.
Doorbell, and have another outlet right here.
Okay.
With the light. And you have a little stoop right here, little shed roof.
Similar to this, there'll be a walkway, right?
Yes.
Is this elevation gonna come up anymore?
Yeah, it'll come up a little bit higher, but I want to keep it as low as possible here to make sure we keep the drainage here.
Okay.
The higher I bring this up here, that means I got to build it up higher over there. I must have a minimum of 6 inches
Okay.
here after the grass goes in. But we should have plenty of drainage coming right through here. That pipe sticking out up there, that's for a secondary AC drain. The primary AC drain, you know that for the condensation for the AC, the primary is going into a sink upstairs in that bathroom.
Okay.
And that's where the most of it goes. But if anything happens and it gets clogged up, you'll have a secondary drain.
All right, and this is
And
it
they
here.
put it over a window purposely so you see it dripping out of there, you know your primary is clogged up. If you wait too long and don't get those cleaned out, it will back up in the pan. There'll be 2 pipes in the attic. If you go up there once every month or so and pour a little bit of Clorox down there, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 cup of Clorox or vinegar, that will keep that cleaned out.
Okay.
Because it's just physics. If you got warm air, you know, moisture, it's going to grow algae. A lot of people don't do that and they don't have no problems.
I'll get somebody to do that. Do you know what color brick we're getting?
One of our major bricks out here is called Monterey, and they've discontinued that brick, so they had to go to a different one.
So I don't know if this is considered a hard hat area, but I came by to do a little quick sneak peekaroo. I don't even know where to begin. My dining area. I guess my walls are gonna be this white. I like white walls, so I'm not tripping if it is, or if this is just primer coat. So anyway, I love light, so I love that my living space is 2 stories. So I got windows up top, windows down here. I wish the windows could have been a little bigger, but you know, townhome community. And then I have that loft area up there that allows for more light from the windows upstairs. Our cabinets are in. I just so wish that I could have gotten white. There was a white option, but I didn't like them. They were a little bit too traditional for my taste, I guess. So I went with these. My refrigerator is gonna go here. Pantry. I don't want to touch anything because I feel like some paint might be wet because I smell paint. Mud area, mud room, garage, powder room. Like I said, I'm not touching anything. Going into our master. Another thing, I wish I should try to get into the model. Now that it's being built, everything seems much smaller than what the model looked like. Builder told me that that's common. People feel that way until everything is put in. Yeah, so my tub. That looks gross. I gotta bathe in that one day. That'll be my toilet, linen closet, double vanity sink, my closet space. This is actually my second home purchase. I have a home in Atlanta, well, a condo. This closet space is nice, like second home closet, but one day when I get the house, I want my closet to be like my master suite. Every girl can dream, right? I'm nervous about going upstairs, but I mean, I've already been upstairs when I came for my official walkthrough, so I feel like it should be okay. So this is guest room. I think I'm going to let this one actually be an actual guest room for sure. Another linen closet. This is my sitting area. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna do with this space. I wanna put up some of my track awards. I think this is going to be my workspace slash film room. Nice little closet area. Nice windows to where I can get enough light. Thankfully, my neighbor next door is a 1-story, so she's not really blocking the light from this window. So I think this would be a good film space. It's the smaller of the 2 guest rooms. Not that anybody comes to visit me, but anyway. Laundry room, washer and dryer will go there. Second bathroom, another bathtub, nothing spectacular. And then this is the theater room, which we got some light. She's pre-wired for surround sound too, so I imagine I'll be spending a lot of time in here. That's that. Let me get out of here before something collapses on my head and I can't sue nobody. But it looks good, it looks good. She's coming along. The masonry's done. The construction worker just told me my neighbor is Aggie. That's gonna be a problem. Hopefully everything goes smoothly.